Do you wanna be great? Do you wanna be great?
What's going on, everybody? This is the Eminem Man, Bob Sumner. Y'all remember me, right? Class of '84 at Seton Hall University. Listen, why don't you guys come join me August 12th to the 14th, back up on the campus. Same place where I broke my hand playing football for the BSU. We're going to be up there having a great time, just chilling and reminiscing and all that good stuff. You remember those days of WSOU and the BSU and the bubble, and even when we used to go over to Mr. Sub. We're going to be doing all that. We want to even talk about when we brought the Black Homecoming Queen 2 times in a row to the campus. I mean, it was crazy. And also, last but not least, I can't forget my man Alpha Will used to bring Reggie and I sandwiches from the Stuffed Shirt about 2 in the morning. I mean, I never will forget it. And I'm just honored to be honored that weekend. Also, they tell me on the 13th we're going to do a little something out there at the Hotel Summit. So again, this is Bob Sumner saying thank you. Can't wait to see you guys. Peace.
Do you wanna be